Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to learn together the second part of our module, which is DVD player repairing. And today's topic, we are going to see how to repair a DVD player power supply. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to repair a DVD player power supply. As we are learning together, I remind you to take some note and do a practical exercise with me while we are learning together. Firstly, you may ask yourself, what is the use of a DVD player power supply? A DVD player power supply, it's used to convert alternative current, which is found to our home socket or our wall socket, into direct current, which is required by the internal component to work properly. As you can see, the DVD player power supply has four main parts. The first one, the chopper transformer, is used to provide different output value from one input value, as you can see at your own screen. In the second part, there is this combination of four diodes. I think we are together. This combination of four diodes, which is also called a bridge rectifier, are used to convert AC current into direct current. This one. I remind you that a diode is a semiconductor device with two terminals, typically allowing the flow of current in one direction. Remember that. The third part, there is this big capacitor, which is used as a filter. It's used to remove unwanted AC current to remain while rectification is going on. This one also is called, the fuse is used to protect internal circuit against overcurrent, as you can see at your own screen. And also, there is this regulator, which is used to regulate the required output. And as you can see, there are some resistors which are embedded to the circuit of this power supply of a DVD player. Those resistors are made to resist electrical current which flow through this circuit of a power supply. And as we finish to see the main part of this power supply of a DVD player, we are going to see the general faults which occur in a power supply of a DVD player. The general fault which occur in DVD player power supply circuit is when one of the components which made a DVD player power supply circuit is blown up, such as when a fuse is blown up, when a regulator is blown up, when a rectifier is blown up, when a capacitor is blown up, when a chopper transformer is blown up. Those are the general faults which occur in DVD player power supply. And now we are going to learn together how to do soldering and desoldering different components of a DVD player power supply circuit. As you can see at your own screen, even you may do a practical exercise with me, do a soldering and desoldering of any component of a DVD player power supply. After we finish to see the general fault that occur in DVD player power supply, while by the use of our digital multimeter, if you're measuring and you found that there is one of those devices which is blown up, you do what is called replacement of defected component according to the type by the tips of soldering and desoldering. After you finish to soldering and desoldering defected component of a DVD player power supply, next what you have to do is to conduct after repair testing. It's why you test after repairing. Firstly, what you have to do, you do what is called, by the use of a digital multimeter also, you do what is called voltage measurement of each state of DVD player power supply. It means you do a voltage measurement to the chopper transformer, a voltage measurement to the capacitor, a voltage measurement to the diode or a rectifier, a voltage measurement for regulator, and finally, you do a voltage measurement for each resistor which is embedded to the circuit of this DVD power supply. While you finish to do the voltage measurement for each part, you do what is called assembling, which is to fix together separated pieces in order to make one wall. And after that, you clean the workplace accordingly, and you manage waste materials accordingly. It means you already finished to repair a DVD player. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. In our next session, we will see how to replace a DVD player control module and a DVD player drive set. See you next time. As we're running together, I hope you are doing practical exercise with me. Enjoy. See you.